Hey guys, we're back with another video, iPhone 16, how to connect to your Bose speaker. This is a SoundLink 2. Let's go ahead and start, quite easy. First, we're gonna wanna turn on the speaker.
Battery
Duh.
50%.
Once we turn it on, the next thing you're gonna do is go ahead and push the Bluetooth button right here.
Battery 50%. Ready
Okay.
to connect.
So then you wanna make sure you hold it down.
Ready to connect.
So once it says ready to connect, then what we're going to do is go through a control center. All you have to do is go to the top. There's a shortcut, or you could go through settings. But once you get here, then you just go to your Bluetooth. This is iOS 18. And then you should see it pop up in the Bluetooth section. If it doesn't, just go to Bluetooth settings. And under devices, you'll find probably under other devices that you have not connected to yet, you'll find it. So we see here, Bose Revolve to SoundLink, right? So go ahead, click that.
Connected to Jay's iPhone.
Okay, so then now we're connected. Let's go ahead and test it out. We're going to be showing you the difference between turning on your clean energy and turning off your clean energy. Okay, so it's working. So that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and try that. And it's quite simple and easy. This video, once again, how to connect your iPhone 16 to your Bose speaker. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.